Oh my god, you won't even believe how in the world this happens. The recording of 4 minutes, I was literally recording. Hold on. ये गिर गया था नीचे. I was literally recording the for 4 minutes, and certainly I got like notification, like alarm kind of thing, and then I opened the chart certainly, and I like I got a I opened the trading view chart onto the floating window. Like camera is like this and floating window is like this, top on that, and I got notification, brother, your 4 minute of video it just vanished. And I was like, what? What the fuck with Samsung is the camera error, brother? It's like warning your recording fail. I was like, so I need to record it again. So what I was talking about, I will restart it again. So basically, what I was talking about, like we are right now on a 13 August. I probably guess so. I saw the 15 August date. I probably guess so. I was in sleep because other than that, I won't be able to see the 15 August date. But I saw the 15 August date. That means something is going to be happen on a 15 August. I maybe saw in a dream. I really don't know. So the second thing is we are in August and we have increased our balances of all the accounts of 1,1,111%. Yes, we have increased 4%, but then we later lose 3% and we are in profit of 1%. So yesterday, have I take trades? No, I haven't even take trades because I was super busy for cleaning and rest of the things of the house. Renovation is done yesterday, finish hua, and I was traveling and finishing the house, like clearing the things. I was helping mom, I was not doing alone. So what about today? आज भाई आज मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, you won't even believe what happens. The loss trade which happens, right? The loss trades and the trades where I have back tested. I literally can see the pattern getting differentiated. The profit patterns and the loss patterns. It is super different. The pattern I can how I can able to notice when I have tracked the data onto the Notion. I literally take the screenshot of each and every time frame, and I was like, brother, I need to see why I lost that. And I saw, and I literally found that, and from the pattern which I found, if I use no, if I don't use that new upcoming, that is new pattern, that is differentiating the loss and the profit, if I just continue using my previous version which is not differentiating the profit and loss, I may be losing like a 1 or 2% today as well. But differentiating the just profit and loss patterns, and I'm just using the profitable patterns until and unless I will finish the backtesting. I will just use the high probability profitable patterns. I literally save my 2%, brother. I'm not in losing thing. So guess what? So why I'm recording this? What is the motto of this? Ki I need to create the plan and I need to record that plan. So here we go. So the plan is for today. आज क्या करना है? First thing first, I need to fully backtest. So I can't full backtest like months and months. No, I for 1 minute I can just backtest for like 1 week or so. Phone आ रहा है. Hold on. So I came down. ये tempo आया just to finish that. So we can continue our video here down because I need to create a video, so why not. So what is today's plan? We was there 12:07, almost 1 hour we give for this thing. Also shower, we will be completing for 1 hour. After 1 hour, that means 1 o'clock, we'll do lunch from 1 to 2, right? So from 2 to 3, 4, 2, 3 and then 4. Within this two hours, let's just segregate more. Let's just go deep. So from 2 to 3, we'll be doing the backtesting of that 7 days, 1 week on GBP USD. Next 1 hour, we'll be doing the backtesting on Euro USD. So that's how we'll be getting our two different data, right? That's the two things. So from 2 to 3, 4. 2 to 3 GBP USD, 3 to 4 Euro USD. Okay, GBP USD why? Because I'm currently ongoing on that. So let's continue that. So from 4 side by side will be keep our trading ongoing. That's it. I need the data. I need it working things. Perfect. I probably guess so. It is well and good. Uh, till 4 o'clock will be understanding what is our I mean, if we just use the high probability setup, what is how much trades we're getting, how much percentage we are increasing, what risk management we are going to use. Every single thing will be understanding. No, not 4 o'clock, at 5 o'clock. Because for 4 to 5, the no, not 1 hour will be, yeah. What we'll do from 2 to 4, we have done the collection of data. From 4 to 5, we'll be doing the backtest. We'll be doing the analysis on the data which we have collected. And yes, at 5 o'clock we'll be understanding what is going on or not. Super good. At 5 o'clock we'll be understanding. That's it. That is what our goal is for today, and so that we can take the trade based on what the understanding is. And from 5 o'clock we can resume or we can't resume. I mean, trading is still ongoing, so we'll be just having like a safety and a proof of the day of the strategy which is working. The high probability setup where the losses is getting neglected. 90% losses is getting neglected, and almost 10 most probably will be will be in profit. And also one more idea I have got, and in morning only I have checked that idea, that it's a 1:1. If our strategy rule is getting matched, that means it is very high probability that our take profit is going to hit. If our strategy rule is not getting matched, that means that is high probability that our stop is getting hit. So why not to do both ways? Yeah, if strategy is matching, then we'll be following our strategy. If strategy is not matching, we'll be just flipping the strategy, and we can we can just flip our position. If the stop is getting hit, that time our take profit will be getting hit. So we'll just flip the strategy based on the rules and conditions. It's beautiful. So that also will be understanding. Right now I'm not going to do the backtesting of that particular thing. I will certainly do the backtesting of that particular thing maybe after, once we have done that high probability setup one way following the strategy. Let's just schedule that as well. So 4 to 5 will be doing the analysis of the data we have collected. So from 5 to 6 will be the flipping of the strategy on GBP, and 6 to 7 will be doing the same on 6 to 7 on Euro USD. So 7 to 8 again will be doing the analysis. Beautiful, it is awesome. So whole day is scheduled. So at 8 o'clock we'll be understanding if we flip, that is a profitable or not. If we not flip, is it profitable or not. So at 8 o'clock we'll be having a full-fledged setup, the full if and then every single thing of strategy, every single thing of the backtesting, every single thing of the win rate, every single thing. If we have the data, we can just push the throttle so that we can go all in full speed. So yeah, this is what my plan is. So this is what we are going to do today. Side by side, I am going to keep video editing online. This is what it is. Signing off. Man, अभी बज रहे हैं 1:33. मतलब अभी वो टेम्पो का फिनिश हुआ. जैसे मैंने शेड्यूल किया था 12 to 1 हम लोग शावर एंड वो टेम्पो का फिनिश करेंगे. बट वो टेम्पो 3 बार आया, वो बहुत ज़्यादा सामान था इसलिए. दैट्स वाई नाउ विल डू द लंच एंड देन विल डू द शावर. That will could take like half hour for lunch, half hour for shower, which is like total 1 hour. Yeah, like 2:30 तक सब हो जाएगा. And from 2:30 we're just getting half an hour late. That is not good, but yes, this is what it is. Signing off. And I look kind of okay. I love this. signing off. Their pura plan में changes. Now, right now we are heading towards. Hold on, मैं इसको shooting. So right now, yeah, we can do this as well. Yes, yeah. Right now we are heading towards to bring the tiles, other tiles. Hold on. To bring the other tiles and for construction, the second construction is like attaching the tiles to the kitchen. So that is what is remaining. So again, taking the trade won't be possible. Yeah, I can take the laptop, but while driving and rest of the things, I usually don't want to do, like see the screen and etc etc etc. So it's better to, like, don't do anything. Plus we haven't finished any bad testing, we haven't finished our, yeah, we do have finished the lunch. That is one thing, but other thing is nothing has happened. So this is it guys, signing off. Let's go. This own will take like 1 to 2 hours for sure. Signing off. There, so we have waited here for petrol and nitrogen. Waiting for nitrogen to get filled. Petrol to fill हो गया. So I make a mistake that I didn't bring a laptop with me. Man, अब मेरे को feel हो रहा है कि I should bring laptop because अगर trade आया तो definitely will be missing it for sure. So damn it, we missed it then. I mean, that will be not accidentally, that will be like missing. So that's not a good thing. But okay, if I'm driving, I will definitely focus on driving rather than. I'm thinking to go live after I pick up the tile from the sister. I'll definitely going to go live and like just wanted to stay connected, just wanted to have like a discussion conversation about success life and trading thing. That is what I want. Because else if I don't, then I will be like sitting like dumb and I will be like thinking of trading. Okay, that will be good, but I want to speak it loud so that like if I speak it loud, that is like get coded in my mind. So also it get recorded. Every single thing is awesome in there. I'm signing off. Let's go for it. Hello. चला. चला.
हा म्हणलं चालले पिंटू आलाय.
Man, it's 5:21. I hate this, man. I hate this. कल का दिन, परसों का दिन और आज का दिन, ऑलमोस्ट दिन वेस्ट हो रहा है. दिन इस अभी रात में मॉम आएगी एंड फिर हाउस क्लीनिंग के लिए हेल्प करना पड़ेगा. मतलब वैसे आज का दिन वापस वेस्ट हो जाएगा. ब्रदर, आई विल नाउ आफ्टर पार्किंग, मैं भी पार्किंग कर रहा हूँ. तो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर द बाइक टू गेट निकल. बाइक साइड को होने के लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ. वो कर रहा है उसको साइड को लेने के लिए. मैन, I hate it. I want to sit on chat for just 1 to 2 hours to 3 hours maximum, just to like clarify every single thing so that we can like keep rolling our money. Brother, कल I'm going to wake up like anything morning and morning को ही finish कर देंगे. अभी I'm going to go home and maybe I will something with that. So I'm hungry after lunch. Still I'm hungry. That's a bit shock. So after doing the kind of like snacks or something like that, and I'm going to go for shower and strictly I'm going to do video for at least like 1 hour for sure until mom came. Then I will help her to clean the house. Once the house is done, I'm not going to sleep early. I'm going to late and wake up until let's just do this. I will sleep until my mom dad scold me. Are you mad or something? Like 1 or 2 or something. Because if I usually awake till 1 to 2 o'clock, mom dad's like it. So until they scold me, I will just keep going. Signing off. Enjoy. Hey there, so it's 18:34 right now. So we are going to start our trading study. Let's do this. Say this. Laptop की screen देखो. Fuck me, brother.